Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to reduce opacity of image in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your photopea software, then create a new document or open your document. And first of all, select this image. Again, file, open and place. Example I use or place transparent PNG or image as you wish. Example use image, drag or sorry resize your image, then see this layer panel opacity, fill and step 2, select the image layer, go to blending mode, multiply, color burn, lighten, screen, overlay, soft overlay, see this overlay and use soft overlay. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.